हरी भरी धरती को अपनाना है हमें, प्रकृति के प्यार को समझना है हमें, परिवेश और वातावरण को बचाना है हमें, इस दुनिया को सजाना है हमें। First of all, a very warm good morning to everyone. Honorable Principal Sir, Director Sir, respected teachers, my dear friends and cherished youngers. I am Ayush Gayan from class 10, section Tagore, and today I got the privilege to stand before you to deliver a speech on a very important topic on this very important day, that is World Environment Day. As we all know that today is 5 June and we celebrate this day to commemorate the importance of environment and also to aware people about the importance of protecting and conserving our environment. So before starting my speech, I want to ask you a question. Do you all know why we have eco clubs in our school? Not only in our school, but they are also present in any schools, institution, colony and compound. The main importance of eco clubs are that they help to protect and work on the problems we get of environment and nature. So, why an environment is so important that a day is dedicated to it? Many environmentalists work for the protection and conservation of environment. And there are many blogs of social media and articles regarding the topic of environment. It is because without environment, we cannot even imagine a life. Just believe that environment is a part of our humans and not only us, but every organism present in the earth. Every activity that we are doing is affected and being affected by the environment. And we are not just physically connected to it, but also mentally, emotionally, and socially. Now, let me talk about the World Environment Day that we are all celebrating. Do you all know why it is celebrated on 5 June? It is because in 1972, on the very same day, there was a UN General Assembly which established World Environment Day, which was followed by a UN meeting on human environment which was held on Stockholm. By the way, the theme for today's Environment Day this year will be beating plastic pollution. As you all know that plastic is very harmful for our environment, so we should try to minimize plastic waste and try to protect our environment. As each year, a country held the observance of World Environment Day, and this year it will be celebrated and held in Republic of Korea. As a student, we can also contribute to protect and conserve our environment by planting trees in our special day, like birthdays, and minimizing waste, trying to aware people about the conservation of environment. We can also become an environmentalist. Now, I want to also explain that when it comes to environment, it also includes sustainable development, because as they say, we didn't inherit our art from the ancestor, but we have borrowed it from our future. So at the end, I want to say that enjoy the beauty of nature and environment, try to use the resources, but at the same time, try to protect it for the future. By saying this few words, I want to conclude my speech. Thank you. Have a nice day.